In this video, we are looking at our brand new Vet1 Denti-lift dental table. So this is an electric height adjustable dental table, and it has the adjustable and add-on dental shelf. So this is how we install the dental shelf. So it's totally removable and you can fold it down. It is installed on an angle as well, so there's good drainage for when you are doing a dental scale. If you've got water everywhere, that is going to drain off and away from the patient. With a couple of turns, you can turn it so it is out of the way and down. The table also comes with a completely removable mattress that's covered with a really durable upholstery. So it can be totally removed. It does come with a black mat under there as well, and obviously that is all removable and it can just be your stainless steel table. The table has a German lifting system with foot pedal height control. So you can use the pedal if the table is plugged in or it has been removed, because it does have a reservoir battery within the table. The foot pedals are also magnetic to the bottom of the table as well, so they won't fall off or be in the way if you are rolling the table around. So here you can see I'm compressing foot onto the pedal. The table is moving up and down, and it is not plugged into any kind of power source at the moment. So the table can be used as a regular surgery table with the add-on of the dental shelf. The dental shelf can be added on at either end of the table and completely removed. The lifting column is also super strong as well, and it can lift up to 200 kilograms. And the height adjustable range is about 58 to 100 centimeters in height. This table was specifically created for clinics who are space conscious, and it just kind of gives you that multi-use ability.
Take it back, take it back, take it back.